Hello students, today we are going to discuss different numerical problems on the tensions, and we will determine tensions in the cables, and we have different types of numericals on this topic. So we will discuss over here. First of all, we have this question right now. This is in question what is asking that determine the tensions in cables AB, BC and CD necessary to support 10 kg and 15 kg traffic lights at B and C respectively. Also find the angle theta. And this is the diagram which is given in the question. You can see this is the front view of the traffic is coming on the road, and there is the traffic light on the top of the traffic. It is hanging at point B and C. You can easily watch in the diagram. So what is happening in it? There is a point A, B, C and D. So angle 15 degree is making with the negative x-axis at point B, and we also have angle theta which is asking in the question, that is here, that is theta. So this is also in the question. So what is it asking? That in question it is asking that determine the tensions in cable AB and then BC and in CD. So there are three tensions in the cables, or you can say that there are three cables in which we have to find out the tensions. So the cable is AB, BC and CD. So what we have to do, we have to support through these cables. What we have to support, we have to support the traffic lights. 10 kg must be at B point, and traffic light weight is having 15 kg must be at C point, because it is given in the question that 10 kg and 15 kg traffic lights at B and C. So the first value should be for the B and the second value should be for the C, so respectively. Also find the angle theta, and then we have to find angle theta. So what we have to do first, we have to make free body diagram at point B and C. So how can we make it? So let me tell you how can we draw the free body diagram. So if we draw free body diagram at point A, so there is only one tension over here, that is TAB. So another free body diagram should be here. So what are the forces or tensions over here? So there is one force, one tension is TBC. There is another tension, that is TBA. It is making angle theta, or you can say 15 degree with respect to negative x-axis. And there is the weight which is acting downward, you can say WB, which is the traffic light. So there is another, we have to go draw another free body diagram at point C. So what are the forces acting on at point C? So there is one force, tension acting here is TCD, this is TCB, and there is a weight which is WC acting downward, and TCD is making angle theta with respect to positive x-axis. So another diagram we can draw on free body diagram at point D. So there is only one tension is over here, that is TDC. So which points we have to select it? I have already discussed in my previous lectures that we have to take those points which are having known magnitude forces and unknown tensions also there, but there should be more known forces there. So but at point A and D we have only one tension, so we are unable to find out other forces, or even tension AB at point A and tension TDC at point D, because there is no another force and we don't know the magnitude of other force, because there is only one force acting over there, and there are only one forces at point A, and at point D there is also only one force. So we are unable to find out the value of the magnitude of the TAB and TDC, because both are unknown and we don't have another force over there which we have known magnitude. So what we have to do, we have to select point B and C. But which point we have to select first, point B or point C? So if you see that at point B and C there are equal number of forces. For example, there is tension BC and tension BA, and there is a weight. So only there are three forces here. You can say there are only two tensions and one is the weight. But and also at point C you can also see this, there are two tensions here, and there is a also a weight acting downward. So both the situations are same, but there is one difference between the two, is that 15 degree is given in the at point B, but at point C we don't know about the value of the or magnitude of theta, which we should have to find out, as it is given in the question. It is asking in the question that we have to find out the value of the theta. So I think point B is better to take as first we have to solve it. So we will be able to find out the tensions in BC and tension at BA. So what we have to do first, we have to isolate the point B, and we have to draw its free body diagram. So how can we draw the free body diagram? So we should take point B here. So if you are taking point B here, so what you have to do, you have to draw axes here, and you know this is point B. So if this is the question, so what we have, there is a tension here, it is acting exactly lies on the positive x-axis, this is TBC. There is another tension which is acting in the second quadrant, that is TBA, and this angle is 15 degree. So what you have to do here, this is the weight, this is acting downward, that is WB. So what you have to do, the weight of the this is not the weight, actually this the value of mass is 10 kg. Why is it mass? Because its unit is in not in Newton, it is in kg. So what does it mean by that? It is the mass. So what we have to do, we should calculate the weight here. So how can we calculate it? We should write W equals to mg. If it is equals to mg, so mass is given in the question, that is 10 kg, and the gravity is in meter per second square is 9.81 meter per second square. So I can write kilogram into meter per second square, that is equivalent to Newton. So it will come out to be 98.1 Newton. So WB is 98.1 Newton. Now what I have to do next, I have to resolve the forces or tension into its components. So how can I resolve it? So how can I resolve it? This is positive x-axis, this one is the positive y, this one is the negative x, this one is the negative y. So how can I resolve it? I have to resolve this force into its components. So this will be minus TBA cos of angle 15 degree, and this will be minus TBA sine of angle 15 degree. And TBC is exactly lying on at positive x-axis, so it should be positive. So its y component is 0, and its x component is TBC. And this is WB, which is acting downward on negative y-axis, so it will also be negative because it is exactly lying on the negative y-axis. Or you can also say if it is a parallel also, so you can also take it as a negative. So if it is acting downward, so it should be -1, so W should be negative, and its x component should be 0. So what I have to do next, I have to sum up all the forces. For example, I have to sum up horizontal forces equals to 0 and vertical forces equals to 0. So what I have to do next, I have to sum up horizontal forces, horizontal components is equals to 0. So it will be like this: TBA cos of 15 degree is equals it's plus TBC is equals to 0. So there are only two forces here. What I have to do, I have to take out TBC in terms of TBA. So I can take it like this: TBC is equals to TBA, it becomes positive, so TBA cos of 15 degree. So if it is cos of 15 degree, so it will become equation number 1, because both are unknown. So what I have to do next, I have to sum up vertical forces is equals to 0. So I have to sum up vertical forces is equals to 0 minus TBA sine 15 degree. It is sine 15 degree, and the weight is acting downward, so it will be WB is negative. So what I have to do next, so this force is the positive one, so we should have to take it positive because it is acting parallel to the positive y-axis. So we should have to take TBA sine 15 degree should be positive, not negative one. So what I have to do, I have to bring this WB up opposite side, so it will be TBA sine of 15 degree. So it is equals to WB. So what you have to do next, you have to find out TBA from here. So I can do what, TBA is equals to WB upon sine of 15 degree. So it will be what, TBA is equals to WB is upon 98.1 divided by sine 15 degree. So I have to solve it and calculate the value of TBA. So how can I solve it from here is that I am taking out my calculator. This is 98.1 divided by sine 15 degree. So the answer will be 379.029. So TBA comes out to be 379.029. You can also write 03 as well. So it will be in Newton. This is the value of the TBA we have calculated. Now put this TBA value in this equation number 1, and then we will get TBC from here. So what I have to do next, therefore 1 becomes, and TBC is equals to TBA cos of 15 degree. So we will put the value of TBA here, so we will get TBC. So it is 379.029 cos of 15 degree. So the answer of TBC comes out to be what? The value of TBC, we have to multiply it with cos of 15. So it is coming out to be 366.11 Newton. So we have calculated two tensions which is asking in the question. We have to calculate the tension AB, we have calculated here, and BC we have also calculated. Now TCD is left and theta is also left. So we have calculated both the tensions right now, and now only one tension is left, and theta we have to calculate it. So we have to move on the second point, and that is what? Take point C. Take point C. So how many forces are acting at point C? So we will discuss it after making an axis. So this is point C. So what we are doing here, we have tension TCD, this is tension TCB, and this is the weight acting downward, and this is theta. So I have to draw this for these forces or tensions on this axis. So how can I make it? This is TCD, and this angle is theta. This is TCB. We have already calculated at point B, and there is a weight acting downward. And this TCB should be negative because it is parallel, or it is exactly lying on the negative x-axis. This is the positive y, this is negative y, and this one is the positive x. And there is a WC which is acting downward again, and the weight of the WC, no, this is not the weight, this is mass of the traffic light at point C is 15 kg. So what I have to do, I should write WC equals to mg. 15 kg into 9.81 comes out to be WC's value, and WC value will be 15 into 9.81, and the answer is coming out to be 147.15 Newton. Okay, done. Now what I have to do next, I have to resolve this TCD into its component. So this is TCD cos of 30 degree theta, and this should be TCD sin theta. So this is the way we can resolve the force into its components. Now what I have to do, I have to sum up horizontal forces equals to 0. It means that we have to apply the equation of equilibrium here. So what I have to do next, I have to sum up all the forces equals to 0. So I am summing up horizontal forces is equals to 0, and this is the way to sum up. This is minus TCB. This should be TCD cos of theta, and you know it very well. We don't know about the value of TCD and theta, both are unknown. So what I have to do, I have to put the value of TCB. TCB's value is coming out to be 366.11. We have calculated earlier at point B. So what I have to do, minus TCD cos of theta. So we have to cancel out this minus sign, and this will become like this. Like this is TCD cos of theta is equals to 366.11, and this will become the equation number. We have already taken one equation, so what I have to do, I have to take it as equation number 2. So next what I have to do, I have to sum up all the vertical forces is equals to 0, and how many vertical forces are acting at point C. There is TCD sin theta, and there is a weight acting downward, and this should be minus because it is exactly lying on the negative y-axis. So what I have to do, and this TCD sin theta should be positive because it is acting parallel to the positive y-axis. So what I have to do, TCD, that is the positive one, sin theta is acting downward, that is minus WC is equals to 0. So what I have to do, TCD sin theta is equals to WC. So I have to put the value of WC here is TCD sin theta is equals to 147.15. So now what I have to do, I have to give it the name of equation number 3, and I have to solve for the TCD and theta, both are unknown in both the equations. So what I have to do, I have to divide equation number 3 by 2. Why I am doing it like this? Because sin theta upon cos theta will be equals to tan theta, and I will get into trouble if I will do divide 2 by 3. So I have to solve it with the cosecant. So I don't want to go for the cosecant or sec theta. So right now I am using tan theta. So divide 3 by 2. So I divided. So TCD sin theta upon TCD cos theta is equals to 147.15 divided by 366.11. So we have to cancel out TCD from here. So I will get this sin theta upon cos theta will be equals to tan theta, and if I will divide 147.15 divided by 366.11, so the answer will be equals to 0.4019, and I have to apply tan inverse on the answer is, so therefore theta is equals to 21.89 degree. So this is the way to solve out this angle from here. And if I take it as cos theta upon sin theta, so it will become opposite of it, and it is quite difficult to find out because it will become cot theta. So right now what I have to do, I have to put this theta into the equation number 2 or 3. So what I have to do next, I have to put this theta, is equals to, that is 21.89 degree. For example, whatever the equation you want to take it, so I am taking it in equation number 2. It's up to you with whatever the equation you have to select, 2 or 3, whatever. 21.89 is equals to 366.11. So TCD is equals to 366.11 divided by cos of 21.89. So the answer will be what? 366.11 divided by cos of 21.89. So the answer will be 394. The answer will be 394. So therefore TCD is equals to 394.557 Newton. So this will be the answer of tension CD. So what we have calculated, we have calculated three tensions in the cables, which in the question we have given. What we have calculated: TBA, TBC, TCD and theta. So we have calculated three things over here. And what are the three things we have? I told you this is the TCD. You can write the answer like this. I can write down the result. So the result will be TAB, or you can also say TBA, both are same. And TBC is equals to, you can also say TCB. And if you are writing TCD, so you can also write down TDC. So both are equal. So what I have to do, I have to write down the value of TAB or TBA, that is 379.029 Newton. And what is the value of TBC? TBC's value is 366.11 Newton. TDC value is 394.557 Newton. And the value of theta, which is also asked, which we have all asked in the question, that is 21.89 degree. So this will be the answer. So this is the way to calculate tensions in the cables. To find out, we have to make free body diagram first. We have to find out which point has more knowns. So we have to select that point at first. Then we have to move on another point, and we also have to see where we can find out our solution and answers. So we should consider all these conditions, or then isolate the point and find out and apply equation of equilibrium. Then we will be able to find out all the tensions in the cable. If we are asking theta or any angle in the question, so we can also find it out. So this is the way to solve the tensions in cables and find out the tensions in the cables after applying equations of equilibrium. That's it for today. Done.